Changzhou Bicycle Cycle Company Limited. Established in 2015, it is located in Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province with convenient transportation access. Bicycle Cycle is a custom company that fulfills custom needs and wants in the e-bikes marketplace. Bicycle Cycle provides complete decisive solutions and full custom design with strategic production targets. We supply our uniquely qualified customers with excellent OEM and ODM services via outstanding quality control and director management team's combination of unique e-bikes management skill sets. To understand us better, our experienced director Tony Chen, who has been engaging in e-bikes industry for 16 years with the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, CE certificate. We already own design patents and with the capacity of manufacturing monthly 5,000 bikes since 2015. For making great e-bikes, that all the things are completed in-house from model design, raw components, quality control, assembly, and then finally processing into finished e-bikes. These unique facts and features separate us from other companies and are the driving forces behind our entrepreneurial spirit. In essence, we are a niche electric bike entrepreneurial company. Our dynamic, qualified, and available team knows how to implement all the works necessary to meet the needs of the customers and to guarantee them quality and respect for deadlines. In Bicycle Cycle, you can always find an e-bike exclusively belongs to you, and the execution of these exclusive relationships are the heart and soul of our professional interests. Welcome to Bicycle Cycle and enjoy with us.